If you want to lighten your dark spots, this cream is for you, but you need to have patience.
1, 2.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Life with A4. Old subscribers, thank you. New subscribers, thank you. If you're watching without subscribing, kindly hit on the subscribe button, like, share and comment. This video is going to be a quick one. It's a review of Palmer's Skin Success Anti-Dark Spots. It's very good, but the but is it doesn't work faster. So if you have dark spots and you expect to get like to lighten the dark spots in just a week, this is not going to work for you. This anti-dark spot cream is with it comes with vitamin E, and we all know how vitamin E is very good for the skin. It helps the skin to be elastic, supple, glowy, so beautiful. So you need to invest in one if you are trying to lighten your dark spots. And let me read the directions on the container. It says apply to affected areas twice daily on clean, dry skin. So just in case you just use it once a day, my sister, this is not going to work. You need to use it twice a day, if possible 3 times a day. And it says apply it on clean, dry skin. Like right now I'm wearing makeup. If you want to apply this, you need to have a clean face. You need to wash your face. Wash your face with a cleanser, a mild cleanser. If you don't have a cleanser, you can use Dudu Osun. If you don't know Dudu Osun, that's what we call black soap. That's what we call black soap. So just cleanse your face with a good soap. Wash everything off, the naked face, yeah. Then if you have a toner, you can tone your face. And if you don't know what kind of toner to buy, I suggest you buy the Ordinary from the Ordinary company. It's very good. Their toner is very good. After using the toner, then you apply this cream. This cream is very thick, so a little goes a long way. Let me show you the consistency. It's like you see how the cream is. It's very thick, so a little goes a long way. You don't need so much. Like look at the little I took, but look at, and when you use too much, it takes forever to dry. So I suggest you use just a little on your hands. It's too thick. And for the smell, you will like it. It smells like perfume. Actually, it's very nice. And there's a warning on this bottle. Let me read the warning. This product is not intended for use in the prevention of sunburn. It has some little sunscreen. I think you need an extra one to use so that you don't get burnt in the sun. When the product dries, it feels sticky, kind of like when you apply glycerin on your body. It feels kind of sticky, so you just need just a little, not so much, just a little to make it work. Okay, so just go and get it, but you will see some results like in a month. It lightens it slowly. If you already have dry skin, then I don't know if this cream is for you, because it's so dry. It makes your face dry. But if you have oily skin, then it's cool. But if you even have a dry skin, I think you can apply it in the evening and sleep, since in the evening you don't go anywhere. And after it dries, it kind of gives some moisture. So you should invest in one if you want. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to watch my other videos. I love you. The more you watch the videos, the more I see that you like them, and I bring new stuff every week. Thanks for staying with me. I love you. Bye. Mwah.